Hi and welcome to Table Talk with Amy,
Tiziana,
Leah,
and Sophie.
Yeah, we got the full suite this week, and what we wanted to chat to you about was our highlights, right, ladies? So my highlight this week has been that we have a personality matching process. My lovely co-founder has helped me learn how to use Excel again. It's been a while. I'm countifing and VLOOKing up all the time these days. And not only do we have the process, but we have 16 characters and names. My highlight.
My highlight instead is been trying to test all different software to understand how we're going to create the new stuff for our Kid Squad. And we finally might have reached the perfect style, and we're now trying to get all the 16 characters done as soon as possible.
So excited.
Yeah.
my highlight has been getting the voice recognition working successfully. Big step.
And my highlight has been taking all of Amy's wonderful thinking around how people should be matched and actually making that work. So we now have a back end that will pop out what character you're going to be.
Yeah. Proper teamwork this week, and the real highlight is that from next week we will be 100% dedicated to PKT as a team. No more part-time working. And I'm thrilled.
We're very excited.
Yep, so that's 6 months runway for us.
Thank you for tuning in. See you next week.
See you.
Bye!